welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing a hair review for you guys, and the product is Wavy Gypsy Locs crochet hair. Alright, this is lightweight. This is what the hair looks like. Okay, I just got done doing my hair, so I have 4 packs of this hair. It was 6 packs of hair in all, but I used 2 out of 6. Alright, so I got 4 left. Okay. Okay, so this is the bag that the company set the hair in. Okay, they give you a gift, which is earrings, and a little note that says, "My small gifts, my deep blessing, give you a good memory." So that was sweet of the hair company from Amazon. Now this hair was under $10, so they give you some earrings as a gift. They also give you some hair jewelry, 5 hair jewelry and crochet needle, and they give you some, I don't know what these are. I think it's stickers, or I don't really know what it is, but I'm thankful though. It's cross and star with circle. I don't know what that means either, but I'm thankful for the gift. Okay, now this is, it look like gold earrings. Okay, hoop earrings. I'll probably give these away because I don't wear hoop earrings like this. So yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Alright, so now I'm about to count the hair. Like I said, it's supposed to be 24 locks in this 1 pack of hair. Okay, so I'm about to see if it's 24. Alright, let's count, y'all. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh, okay, so they gave me an extra lock, so it's supposed to be 24, but I have 25. So that's good, okay. Alright, so this is supposed to be lightweight locks. About to smell it. These locks definitely smell brand new. Do not have no nasty smell to it at all. And it freezes up, you know, just a little bit, you know, very, very little when you put the hair in. But I still love it though. I love the color of it. So yeah. So, oh, I forgot the hair company. The hair company is called Crowns. It's spelled COCROWNS. That's the name of the company off of Amazon. Okay, so I had looked on Amazon earlier and I did not see these locks at all under the company's name. So I will put some hair companies off of Amazon that has the same exact hair, but it probably be longer and it will probably be higher. So, you know what I'm saying? But this here was definitely was under $10. I think it was $8.99 or $9.99. One of them. You know, because I love being on a budget. It's by choice. Okay, but yeah. Alright, I have my string twist here. Wide tooth comb. Start from this side right here. Okay, I'm combing the ends out first. Alright, your string twist here. Now if you don't want to use the crochet needle, you don't have to. Now, get a small piece of the string twist here, bend it, long piece, should be looking like this, okay? Now, small piece, right along with crochet hair and your natural hair. Alright, you go to wrap with the long piece of string twist here, okay? Now you're going to wrap 3 to 4 times on the roots. Just a little tight, but not that tight now, okay? So you can use glue, nail glue, or some holding hairspray like I'm doing, because hairspray make it sticky, the hair sticky. Okay. last one. Okay. Oh yeah, then another thing is, I don't know if you guys can see the loop. The loop is kind of small, as you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see. Okay. You see it? Alright, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. God loves you. I love you. Make sure you guys be safe. Okay? And have a blessed day. Peace out.